Best or worst? There is a big reason for people to get Watch 6 Classic, and if you are hesitant to get the new one, I'll share some of the insights of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The biggest concern for everyone who's looking to get the Watch 6 Classic is the battery. It's smaller, and yes, to be very honest with you guys, it cannot stand against the Watch 5 Pro. But if you're the one who charges its watch every single day, then Watch 6 Classic is the best option for you. It can last about a full day while using every feature, including the always-on display. And in some cases, it can even last about 1.5 days. But it completely depends on how you use your watch, because who knows, for you it can even last 2 full days. Although Samsung claims 40 hours without always-on display and 30 hours with always-on display, which is kind of real, except if you don't use your watch much with the phone calls or music, because it will quickly drain a battery. Now this is a suggestion for everyone. If you want a watch which will last about 2 or 3 days on a single charge, I would suggest you to go with the Watch 5 Pro. But if you don't need this much of a battery, Watch 6 Classic does offer some cool features. This is the biggest reason among my subscribers to get the Watch 6 Classic, the rotating bezels. Rotating bezel gives Watch 6 Classic a true feel of Galaxy Watch, and obviously, when you are using the rotating bezel, it will give you a sense of click while using it. You only feel it when you use it. Although Watch 5 Pro on-display gestures are here, but rotating bezel is the best solution for this. If you are not interested in Watch 6 Classic bezels, then you will surely like the new display on the Watch 6 Classic. It's a lot brighter compared to the Watch 5 Pro. Brightest display from Samsung so far, 2000 nits. Adventure seekers will love to use the Watch 6 Classic outdoor. Also, Samsung gave us the most durable sapphire crystal glass on front. This is what I've noticed, everyone goes for 47mm, the bigger, the better, except the ones with the smaller wrist. Samsung did try something new with the build quality. It comes with the stainless steel, which has pros and cons. The biggest con is the weight of the watch. You can easily tell the difference if you wear both Watch 5 Pro and Watch 6 Classic. It's quite heavy, with the 59 grams of weight instead of 46.5 on the Watch 5 Pro. But it will not easily get small scratches with the time, just like what we get on the Watch 5 Pro. Although with the stainless steel build, Watch 6 Classic looks good and feel premium. And a new addition of a one-click band removal even more convenient if you often change your watch bands over time, and yes, it will work with the older bands. The software seems good, the animations are better than the previous generation. Also, there are a couple of new features offered in the Watch 6 Classic. First, the irregular heart rhythm notification, and the second, on-device sleep coach for better analysis of your sleep. You can also use Samsung app for more details, and for other Android phones, you can use an APK of this Samsung Health app. No support for Apple users. Samsung also offered more support of apps, including the native WhatsApp, Gmail, and much more. The price is good, and this could be the potential reason for you to buy. $430 for 47mm, $20 less than the Watch 5 Pro, which is at $450. And with all the new feature, it's a good buy. But if you are still confused between Watch 6 Classic versus Watch 5 Pro, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.